Yeah, it's us is Terrified coming at you again with another FabFitFun Box. Oh, this came in the mail. No shade to FedEx, well, a little bit, but gosh, like, when I get the shipping notifications that say that my package is on its way, I track that obsessively, and FedEx might have the most inefficient... This box has stopped over in like 10 different states, I swear to Christ. But let's see what I got. Got some really stuff. Some nice stuff. And so this box is also in honor of City of Hope, which is nice. And getting the magazine with Meghan Trainor's on the cover for fall. So that's sweet. And it'll have all the features. And they really want me to get HelloFresh, I guess. So let's see what stuff I got. I don't remember. I ordered things, and it looks like this is one of the things that I definitely for real ordered. It's, oh, my new straightening iron. Hooray! Like a proper good one, so I can just devote the $5 one to arts and crafts. So, it's a nice ceramic straightener. Sometimes I straighten my hair, not often, but sometimes, and I guess you can do other styles with that. I'm not great at styling my hair, but I'm excited for that. I got... What is this? Ooh, Better Skin Co. I do like their stuff. So this is the cleanser scrub mask. Lava Magic. I got an aromatherapy deep relaxed roller ball, which I might be digging into tonight. It's been a rough couple weeks. But let's check this out. I'll put it on my wrist. It's not, like, normally when they say relax, they say, like, that it's going to be lavender and stuff. This doesn't smell like lavender. It's more like woodsy and basil, I want to say. Is that what it is? Chamomile, vetiver, and sandalwood, so I was way off. Oh well. I got the Humankind Body Souffle. I'm going to see if I can use this. Scented lotions I don't do so well with, like, having on my skin. Sometimes I can do, like, a scented shower gel because the fragrance isn't, like, sitting on my skin forever and ever, but can't even... Oh, there's a thing. Yay. So, it's very orangey. I'll try it. I'll try it on my arms. I won't try it on my legs because that's where my eczema is, like, really, really bad. Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. Oh, that's going to be fun. So we've got a pool in our building, and I've been going there more often because I'm paying for it anyways. I'm also paying for YMCA membership that I'm not using, so I really need to actually get over there and use their nice big pool, but this is going to be nice for that because I remember my hair when I was, like, heavy into swim team, and it was straw, honestly, just from the chlorine. So this is going to be fun to, like, try and, like, keep it fun. I don't know if it's going to be fun. It's going to be a thing. I feel like I've gotten a lot of stuff. Body Boost Gel. Tone, Firm, Smooth. Pre-Workout Activator. So this is by Skin Love, and it's menthol and green tea. Does it smell like anything, or is there a safety cap? Safety cap. Okay. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to continue getting these boxes, and then I did. And then, like, they said next month's box, and I was like, or next quarter's box. and it was like some legitimately nice stuff. And I said, okay. I don't know. I feel like there's like an epidemic of stuff, but a lot of this is, you know, I'm either going to use it up or... Okay, so the menthol isn't like super intense in this. It smells more fruity than anything, which is weird, but try it out. I'll try out everything. I like that they put a lot of cruelty-free products in this box, or I think they might all be cruelty-free. I'd prefer that. So are the Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. Juice cleanse. Let's see, what do they think a juice cleanse smells like? Oh, geez. Oh, there's like passion fruit right in your face. Oh, damn. That's actually quite nice. I just wasn't... I wasn't expecting that. Oh. Yeah, and this, at the bottom of the box, it's the Kate Spade lunch tote. I'm excited about this. I've got a lunchbox that I carry to work, and I'm probably going to continue carrying that lunchbox to work. You know, it's a little Nintendo Game Boy thing. But this is nice. Out to lunch. I've been getting more into drawing and painting outside, and I think when I've got like a bigger painting kit than what I can fit in my pencil case, this would be nice. See, the inside's like splash proof. So this will be pretty good for if I start actually for reals doing plein air painting and I need someone to stash my kit and maybe some snacks and just carry it around and look all posh and shit. Wow. Wow, wow. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with all of it. And then there's a bunch of little paper caterpillars. And that is all she wrote. So, yeah, I didn't think I'd be back here filming this again. And I still hate haul videos, but this is what gets the views. Good Lord. I can't speak. This is a recurring theme. I also... Because these are nice new things and I really wanted to show them off, I also want to show off the stuff that I got at Barnes & Noble yesterday. Because yesterday was the 10th of September. I'm going to tease all the way up to it. So, first, the copy of Thrasher that I get. I used to skateboard a lot when I was a kid. And then I moved out of my mom's house and I left my skateboard there because I wasn't using it. Like, I went to live with my ex-girlfriend and I was working too much and I was in college and doing things with her, so I wasn't skating. I left it at my mom's house. My brother's friends disappeared it. So I haven't owned a skateboard since I was 21, but I still like to get Thrasher sometimes. I would love to do it again. Like, I'd love to actually get out there. Tony Hawk is like 50 and he's still out there skating, so I need to do something. But I don't know. I've always been really fond of Thrasher, and also, all these pictures of the skaters, these are good reference photos for, like, drawing and painting people in action poses. So I'll get this. I get Sports Illustrated if I'm in the airport, because that's usually all they've got in the airport, like, in the airport newsstand that interests me is they've got, like, Sports Illustrated, and sometimes they've got The Economist, if I'm lucky. So, but Sports Illustrated will also have the really great, just, like, you know, you get baseball players swinging at them. You get the basketball guys, like, oh! And I really like sports magazines for drawing, so got that. I got The Economist. Sometimes I get The Economist, sometimes I don't. But since we're in the middle of Brexit, And I'm going to read up everything I possibly can about it, because this whole thing just seems like a million degrees of stupid to me. Sorry, pals. It's like nothing's happening. Nothing's gonna happen. Y'all owe me 10 quid when Boris Johnson leaves office by the end of this month. Seriously, because I did put money on that. So, I got that. I also got the Journal of Foreign Affairs. I am intrigued by this top headline, How a Global Trading System Dies. I've always been really interested in, like, trade and global issues since I was in high school. So I guess not always. So this is another one that I'll get sometimes. It's expensive. It costs as much as a book, but no. And I felt really lucky to get this. The Testaments. Oh, I'm so excited. So, like, I read The Handmaid's Tale twice. I read it when I was in college. And I also read it when the show first came out, but I didn't have Hulu, and I was like, you know what, I'll just read the book so I'm not completely missing out, even though I didn't like it the first time, and I also didn't like it the second time. And the reason I didn't like it the first or second time was not the book itself, not the story. It's really intense, and it's a really tough read, and there were a lot of times when I would have to just put it away for a couple days, a couple weeks even, because it just got too heavy for me. And nowadays, now reading the books and watching the shows, and then turning on CNN and seeing what's going on in some of these red states, or in the Senate, or in the White House, it's terrifying. And the author has even come out and said, you know, this is some really scary, heavy stuff that we're dealing with, and now it's translating to real life as well. Knock on thing that it doesn't become actual real life. But the thing that I disliked most about the book was that it ended very abruptly. So it was like, spoiler alert, but no, you guys should have all read this already. You know, June escapes to Canada, and then it just fades to black, and the next scene is like some college in Alaska or something, and it's like 50 years in the future, and they're, look, we're going to take apart and analyze this time the way in college we do now analyze the Cold War, or at least we did 10 years ago when I was in college. So, sorry if I spoiled it, but you should have read The Handmaid's Tale already. I do think that it should be required reading in college curriculum. I wouldn't think that in high school. I don't know if high school kids can really handle it, but, you know. So I did get The Handmaid's Tale, and this is set 15 years after, and so I have to finish the, you know, crime novel that I got from the library so I can return it tomorrow, and then I can start on this, and I'm probably going to keep putting it away and being really slow at reading it because it's probably going to be equally intense, but I'm ready for it. So yeah, that is my haul of things that I hate hauling, but they're so brand new that I have to show them off. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. So yeah, later, skaters.